Yan guys, umpisa na guys. Umpisa na ang laro guys.
Pero dapat sana ang tapat. Kahit 30 minutes lang kasi second quarter lang eh. Okay. Taglit lang yun.
Player guys oh. Player ng Dunis do.
Stop foul.
Okay, jambol. Jambol tayo, jambol. Foul content. Agawan guys. Lasat. Jabar. Tres.
Amin. Tirik.
Tirik.
Patitirikin kayo. Ya. Oh. Defense.
Ayan oh.
Defense. Rebound. Oy! Tumama sa kalbo.
Tingnan mo lang bola.
Kalbanyo. Defense Dunis.
Up. Tres.
Good rip.
Up. Stepping. Oh, 3-6. Ano yan? Pasok!
Dunis!
Oy.
Makapal, makapal. Baksaw tayo. Wala pa yung bola, balik.
Ay, yung bola natin ah.
Time out guys, time out.
Good defense.
Time out. Time out. Time out. Time out. Time out.
Makapal lang tayo. Baksaw tayo. Ha? Alam ko lang po yun, sahip na ka.
Bira iton.
Relax, relax. Sabot po sa ka. Makagalaw-galaw.
Oh. Gato trade.
Pasok niya si Kuya para spot na agad. Si Kuya yata titira ng tos eh. Sinubukan ko, hindi ko malab eh. Tubig. Ha? Tubig.
Time out, time out.
Okay.
Ya, apat na. Tatlo. Tatlo na. Tatlo na lang yan. Kaya padalawa na lang.
Sige, depensa! Taas ka to!
Open! Goal!
Sige, baba!
Ritso!
Baba! Relax! Tawid lang! Apat kayo!
Pasa pala.
Huwag ka lang matasapit to, matasaktan ka lang!
Babaan mo lang to.
Sige.
Sundan lang!
Bula!
Pumitulo. Talongin natin ulan. Walang bola pa. Hey! Sumunta to. Bola. Balik. Ano ka decision?
4 minutes and 49 seconds.
Sobra na.
Pasok ang score natin.
Hindi. 1, 2.
Manasalan, mana. Parang nagano sa akin. Puro ano,
Lima na.
Wala.
Pare yung penalty to, no?
Penalty na lahat. Penalty na.
Second shot. So number 18. Awa.
Harap na kayo.
Number 2.
Pasok mo.
So number 6. 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Oh, yan.
13. Sumalaksak, pumasa.
Last one.
Yes!
Harap!
Foul, second foul. Penalty, 2 shots. Foul number 28. Score natin 31-40. Favor pa rin ng Trappers. Fourth, hindi pa. Personal foul. First shot is no good.
Ha?
This is no good. Rebounded.
Awak! Ay!
Out of bounds. West basketball. 21 to shoot. Side ball is kaya. 21 to shoot kaya. Out of bounds. Save basketball. 20 seconds. 19 to shoot. Foul. Foul number 13. Blocking foul. What team is penalty?
Both teams penalty na.
2 shots. 4 minutes and 26 seconds. First shot is good. Three point. Number 13, moving the ball.
Pasok mo! Pasok mo! Up!
Number 5.
Yan na!
So now this one.
Gira!
12 to shoot. 4 minutes. And 7 seconds left. Oops. Number 15, tumatalaksak. Out. Out of bounds. Trackers ball. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Tumira ng stress. Wala ka rin. Ibalo. Back to number 20. Tumira. Wala na.
Oh, pasok!
3 minutes and 51 seconds. Number 28 to number 5. Tumira. Ibalo ulit. Number 28.
Kanina pa! Wala kapitan!
Dalawa! Kasi kita-kita. Nakataas ako. Kita na rin.
Pre! Huwag na! Huwag na, masasaktan ka lang!
Dalawa!
Penalty yan, Rep!
Both teams penalty.
33-40. 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Si number 5 ang number 5.
5 daw! Number 5 daw! Pre!
Si number 5 ang shoot.
Number 5 daw, shoot! Number 5
Penalty.
Stand daw, pre! Stand daw, pre!
Tumawag na pala na. Niyapos niya pa ako.
Play! Sigurado ka na! Ginagawa, chikas! Abay, sabu! Shot mo! Yo! Yun, shot!
It's good.
Baba!
3 minutes and 43 seconds.
3 minutes na, 3 minutes. Uy, bula!
3 minutes and 43 seconds. Number 7 is dribbling the ball. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. 7 minutes to shoot. 15 to shoot. Number 15 nice fake. Tumira ng boss. 1 left.
Oh, baba! Basa!
3 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 7.
Counted oh! Counted oh! Counted now!
Brad, walang hilahan.
Foul!
Counted na, counted.
Counted yun! Kanina foul, Brad?
Ref. Shooting foul.
Counted, counted.
Wala. Pero
penalty po.
Penalty pa rin tayo.
Penalty pa rin, penalty pa rin.
Nangihila ng damit.
Wala penalty.
Nagsashot yung tao, oh! Nagsashot yung tao! Wag yun! Wag mong naras! Nagsashot yung tao!
Wag na, Bray. Wag na. Wag na, patulan ko.
Second shot for number 6. No good.
Set!
2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 11 to bring the ball.
Oh!
Yun lang!
Out of bounds. Right basketball.
Tayo.
3 minutes and 5 seconds. Tres.
Huwag madali!
3 points yan, 3 points.
Hayaan mo na lang.
Ay. Kasi ayan. 3 minutes left. Tama ba ang number 6?
Out.
Save basketball tayo.
Kunin niyo yung bola.
Number 13. Kuha ball number 13. Tubig the ball.
Oras! Bilabay!
Number 15. Rebound save basketball. 2 minutes.
Bola!
Score 38-42.
O, pasok!
Save basketball. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Hey! Parap!
The number 5. Number 6. Oh, foul. The number 70. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. First shot. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Substitution.
Sino?
After free throw pass, ang pwede mag-sub.
Jumper. Last shot is good. 1 point. Okay. Number 17 holding the ball. Holding the ball. Sumalaksak. Wala pa rin. Opening. Time out. Magandang na bola.
Toto, tiktan, Toto!
2 minutes and 11 seconds. To number 6.
Oh, sit raw.
Number 6. Foul. Number
Guys,
15.
labas to.
Fourth personal foul by number
Apat na.
15.
Isa, tatlo.
2 minutes and 9 seconds. Two shots for number 6. First shot is good. Second shot. So number 22, number 15. Blocking foul number 6.
Expensive yun.
Kaya, injury ko na.
Bounce guy. Hoy! Sab ka dyan.
Substitution muna, pagpahingin sa second.
Sab ka dyan, sab.
Sab.
Tubig.
Bakauntag.
Pahinga ka muna.
Hoy! Ulo. Ang huwag kang umupo.
Ulo ng likod, dito.
Pupuin nyo.
Two shots tayo, 2 shots.
Boss, wag ka na, boss.
2 shots. 2 minutes and 5 seconds left.
Pagbay ka lang siya, bro.
2 minutes and 5 seconds. First throw, no good. Second shot. No good. Rebounded by number 28. Pinasaan number 5.
Pasok.
Last 2 minutes. Kaya na number 13. Wala.
Sa inyo lang.
Number 5. Number 22. 1 minute and 49 seconds. Tumira ng 3. So, rebounded by number 28.
Ay!
One minute and 39 seconds, tumira. Out of bounds. Same basketball.
Boss ako yung mula dito.
Same basketball na. White ball. Red. White ball. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Number 22 dribbling the ball.
Ayaw na!
Foul number 11.
Penalty, Mike!
2 shots. Penalty. 38-7 ang score in favor of Stars. 2 shots for number 22. Time remaining 1 minute and 32 seconds. First shot is no good. Second shot.
Babad lang sa bulo at saka ano.
Vodka lang, Perlen.
No good.
Mula lang.
Masabi?
Yelo.
Namula.
Hindi, nauntog lang yun. Buti nga nauna yung ano ko eh. Oo, katawan ko. Kung yung ulo, wala.
15 to shoot. Wala pa rin.
Rebounder!
Salamat. Hindi, okay lang to.
14 seconds.
Bigay!
Ay!
15 to shoot. Lucas. 1 to shoot. Pumasok na yung team.
Baba kayo, sir!
58 seconds. 56. 15 to shoot. 13 to shoot. Round number 5. 2 shots.
Penalty.
47 seconds. 47 seconds. 47 seconds.
Busin nyo na lang, Ras.
First shot, no good. Second shot.
Hindi siya kapasok.
Alright, 47, tumira. 34 seconds left.
Wala.
White basketball. White basketball.
Kanina pa yun eh.
Ball baller. The 11 to number 5. 35 seconds.
Sa kanila lang yung foul, no?
Yan ano yung
Oh, 5 na lang oh.
foul.
Takbo na foul to.
2 shots.
2 shots. 2 shots yun, 2 shots.
35 seconds left. 35 seconds ang natitirang oras. Para sa ating last quarter, 2 shots for number 5. Score 42-47. 2 shots for number 5. First shot. No good. Second shot. 35 seconds.
Lima lang. Vertical pala. Lima lang yan, no? Huwag niyong kunin ng... Dave, shoot mo yan.
Number 5.
Dai.
Second shot. It's no good.
Oh, drink na!
Last ball.
Tawid mo!
10, 9, 8,
Oh!
7, 6, 5.
Oh!
Wala na.
That's 5 seconds.
5 seconds.